What, just like that then?
Yeah. Film it out the window. Jesus.
Well, it's a wonder the police didn't close this bloody road. Never mind the other one.
I know. Well, the other one's obviously the same.
You haven't even got a coat if we get stuck.
Oh, it's not cold. It's 12 degrees.
Yeah, it is if you get stuck.
We're going uphill here. This is what I don't understand. It's not getting any shallower.
No, it isn't. I can tell it isn't by the car in front.
I think it's going to be like this all the way to Saltburn, you know.
I don't think so, Adrian, because the land at that side dips down.
Oh, he's got quite shallow on the side of the road.
But you can't stay on there. Oh, you can for now.
Look at this. Film it.
I am. You see, I'm right.
Well, you don't know yet. We haven't got onto the road.
Yeah, but
They're going slow down here. I can see people's rear lights.
all over. Shit.
Look at that field.
Yeah, that's what I say, but that's sloping, you see, down there.
No, it's bad still.
Yeah.
If I don't get back quick, this is going to fill up as well. Lift it high so you can see right out. I want to show Laura. These cars have no idea what they've got coming. Do they?
They haven't got a clue.
Really?
We're stopping it, and there's cars in front that have stopped. We've got the red lights on.
They're putting one car through at a time, I'm sorry. We should have stayed at ours, you know.
Well, we didn't know it was like shit. We didn't know it was like this, did we? It was an L driver out.
You know when you see those videos of people climbing out the sunroofs of the cars because they're floating?
I know.
And you always think, what a bloody idiot. How has he got stuck in that?
We haven't got a sunroof. Yeah, because you
I
see,
know.
with the pressure of the water, you can't open your doors.
What windows might come down.
Are you putting this off now, or what?
No, I'll keep filming because there's something exciting up front. There, isn't there? That's why everyone's queuing to go through.
Yeah, I think it's the chicken farm where it...
In fact, this car's turning around on it. Someone's turning around now. I'm just doing it to get the...
can't see how many cars there are in front, can we?
Blue, clear sky.
I know. Well, you're only filming the car in front now. There's nothing else happening.
Right.